Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So we are still sitting pretty much in this range of the previous day, and as I said on the Telegram channel, watch out, this is starting to look like a bearish engulfing. However, we are forming a little bit of a triangle here, and you could pretty much argue that that is the level, which is pretty much 50% of the previous week's bar. And often what happens is you have price breakout, come back, test the 50%, and then move from a price action perspective. But it is options expiry today, and there are some major levels. I haven't looked at the levels on the Dow Jones, but on the S&P there's definitely a major level at 3900, which is basically the level we are fighting with right now. So if we come to the 3 hour, the question here is, we printed a lower low, there it is there. Okay, so the diversions that we did have in play are pretty much no longer in play. However, we do have diversions brewing again here, where we've got low, 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 high. So there could be some kind of a breakout. I don't think so, though. I think the jobs number was shocking yesterday. It wasn't quite what everybody was expecting, and it did sort of impact price action a little bit. But now we've got options expiry, and I think that's going to be the focus until 12 o'clock USA time. After that, who knows? Maybe we get some kind of a catalyst that's going to drive us. I don't see that, though, at the moment. And I think we're just going to continue in this range, so in the blue block. So the upper end of the range is obviously right up here at 31,558. The lower end of the range is down here at 31,226. If we just drill down to the hour, and you will see, we had this chaos here. We've broken below that chaos. We've sort of broke above the previous day. So there you can see we closed above the previous day. Or open above the previous day, sorry, and we then close below it here. So that is also indication of a potential move in a direction. It is a breakout structure. So you've consolidated, you broke to the upside, that failed, you broke the downside, that failed, and then you're back in the structure. So that is typically a bigger breakout pattern. So when you see this kind of thing on the lower time frames, you can see there's a range, break up to the upside, and you think, okay, it's going up, and then it reverses, comes back, breaks the downside. You think, okay, it's going down, and then it comes back in here. So a big confusion, but it's also the indication that the bulls try to get going, they failed. The bears try to get going, they failed. The bulls tried again, they failed. The bears tried again, they failed. So that is pretty much what's transpiring at the moment. And if we just finish off down here on the 15 minutes, I suppose if you were scalping this, I'm not so sure I would have been able to get a short with a pin bar like that. I would have been long. So, but then you look down here, you can see tweezer bottom, another range bar, good structure, profit taking up to the top, onto the moving average, rejection, and down. What's transpiring now? We're going sideways. So so for me, guys, this is probably been 2 really slow weeks. Last week wasn't too bad. This week, pretty much, I think 3 trades this week, and only 1 winner, or 2 winners and 1 loss. But we barely break even for the week. That's the way it goes. So I think we'll probably just take the day off, take a long weekend, regroup, come back on Monday, and come out swinging on Monday. So then we should have a direction, or we should have some structure that we can buy off and get this thing moving again. Okay, anyway, guys, that's it for me. Hope it helps you somewhat. Not really helping me at the moment. Hate trading ranges, not my forte, and that's kind of what's transpiring. But I'm not getting involved, which is good. So we're not unnecessarily losing money. Enjoy the rest of the weekend, and we'll catch up with you on Monday. Cheers for now.